Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amazon Alexa and set up multi-user profiles, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Amazon Alexa and set up multi-user profiles, begin by opening the Alexa app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Launch the app and tap on the Sign In button. Enter your Amazon account credentials, including your email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the More tab located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the More menu, select Settings. Scroll, tap on Add Adult and follow the prompts to send an invitation. The invited adult must accept the invitation to create a multi-user profile. Once they accept, you can manage each user's profile. To add a child profile, tap on Add a Child. Follow the instructions to create a profile with limited access. After setting up the profiles, go back to the Settings menu. Select Device Settings to view and select your Alexa device. Scroll down to Voice Training to help Alexa recognize different voices for each user. Follow the prompts for each user to complete the voice training process. Once complete, each user can access their personalized experience. Test the setup by asking Alexa to recognize your voice. Enjoy using Amazon Alexa with multiple user profiles tailored to each individual. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.